Carrboro. Many people call it the Paris of the Piedmont because of all the musicians and artists that live here. And Ron Stutz, longtime radio DJ for Chapel Hill's WCHL radio station, used to always announce the weather something like this. It's currently 74 in Chapel Hill and 73 in Carrboro, where it's always 1 degree cooler. And Carrboro itself is a much smaller town compared to most of the cities here in the Triangle area, so when a house comes on the market in Carrboro, it's always an event. So I know you're going to want to check out this video of our latest listing here at 606 Robert Hunt in the Quarter Path Race neighborhood here in Carrboro. All right, folks, let's check it out. Oh, before we go in, how about these elephant ears? They say that kitchens, baths, and hardwoods sell houses, folks, and 606 Robert Hunt has all three. How about these gorgeous hardwoods, folks? They're just beautiful. And the kitchen has been totally renovated. Check out the Zodiac quartz countertops and these custom hickory cabinets. These were made by a good buddy of mine, Bruce Pratt, who runs a great custom cabinetry business. How about these extra storage at the very top? 606 Robert Hunt has about 2550 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus a huge bonus room, and is built in 1993. 606 Robert Hunt is in a cul-de-sac, so it's very quiet. And we are 2 blocks from 2 separate entrances to the Bowling Creek Walkway, which begins here in Carrboro, winds its way through Carrboro and Chapel Hill, and ends up at the Chapel Hill Community Center over on Estes Drive. It's a fantastic walk. And we've got solar panels, which means your utility bills are going to be much less than your neighbors. And then finally, how about this amazing screen porch, folks? It's just gorgeous. Folks, whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team is ready to help you. Contact me ASAP. I'd love to show you 606 Robert Hunt here in the Quarter Path neighborhood in Carrboro. Thanks for your time.